Has the real estate market lost its sizzle? Hi, this is Jen Wehner with the Wehner Group, brokered by eXp Realty. And here's your real estate market update for June 2021. Let me give you some quick bullet points for you to take away. Good news, guys, 62% of all homes that have sold so far have been considered affordable. What is affordable? Affordable is what the average person can buy. So the average sale price right now is still $375,000. That is a very affordable home at today's rates. The active listings are down 64% year over year. We're still seeing that low supply. Listings under contract, we're still seeing listings under contract go up 24%. Closed sales, sales are still up 40% year over year. We have less than 2 weeks supply of inventory. Where 3 to 6 months is good on average, we still have 2 weeks, not even 1 month supply of inventory on the market. So has the real estate market lost its sizzle? It has. Can it be seasonal? Maybe. But we have seen demand drop a bit. We've seen supply inch up a little bit. Instead of 15 offers, we're seeing maybe 5 or 8. Or maybe we list something a little bit high and instead of selling right away, we have to wait longer, or maybe even drop the price. Maybe we overshot the market too much. Are prices coming down? No. We still cannot have prices come down. We've talked about lead measure versus lag measure before. You guys, real estate market is not like the stock market. The prices are not going to take immediate effect. In fact, if you look at when the demand was at its highest, when the market was at its highest, it was in 2005. We didn't see prices go down until 2008, 3 years later, and we're in a completely different situation now. We have real demand. Rents are at sky high. There are more people here and moving here than the houses that we have, and not even the houses that we can build. We cannot even build fast enough. So the most important thing to know is, are prices going down? Is this a bubble? No, this is not a real estate housing bubble. Will prices go down? Not this year. I can guarantee you that. You know why? Because you look at supply, demand, you basic economics. The supply lever can only go up so much. We can't build fast enough. We don't have the inventory. We have more families here. So even if demand tapers, this isn't going away. This is we can predict by this supply and by this demand, even if it starts to align, we're talking about 2022, most likely 2023, until we see any kind of real price effect. Will prices slow down or appreciate at less of a rate? Yes, it's definitely, right now for next year, that can definitely be a possibility. To this year, we'll continue to still see price appreciation just based on supply and demand and that lag measure of the real estate cycle. So what do you mean by has it lost its sizzle? Well, instead of 500 degrees right now, it's like 400 degrees. It just got a little bit cooler. So for sellers, this may be the height of the market. This may be the best time to sell. Personally, right now, I'm looking at my real estate holdings and I'm selling my flawed inventory. What's flawed inventory, might you say? Something that's backing to a main road. Maybe it's the home that you want to downsize in. You might see the best prices for that home today than you ever will in the next cycle that we go into. And that cycle typically is 7 years to 10 years. We're at 11 years, pretty much at 2011 is when we turned around and we saw price appreciation. We've seen little blips on the radar, but we've just been in generally a good, fair market for 10 years. It's time for us to cycle. But it'll be a slow cycle because this is not like last time, which was a real estate caused recession. As we go into inflation, rising interest rates, taxes, higher taxes, a new administration, everything that's going on, there's certainly uncertainty. And that's one thing that we can all say, there is no glass. There is no crystal ball. This isn't a normal cycle. What we're seeing right now is abnormal. It's crazy, it's chaotic, and it has been since COVID, and that's why I track my data every single day. But if you're a seller right now and you're on the fence, I don't know for certain, I don't know, but I can say this may be the best opportunity you have to sell. For buyers, the good thing to note is you're buying a 30-year mortgage. The rates are going to go higher. They just ticked a little higher. There's a lot of uncertainty around inflation. The best time to lock in a mortgage, in my opinion is now. The sooner the better. And you're still going to continue to see price appreciation. Rents are still going up higher. Meanwhile, by the way, lock in your rate. You're buying a home. If you were even thinking about buying, buy a home today. And I am still buying. So that home that I am selling right now, that flawed inventory that backs a major road, I'm taking it and I'm reinvesting it into a location I believe in. So I still believe that it's opportune time to buy the right real estate. And if you're on the fence of downsizing, upsizing, whatever your case may be, this may be the best time to do both. And all I can say is what's happening right now and what we may see in the future. And that's what I do here at the Wehner Group. Now, if you have even thought about buying, selling, investing, or perhaps all three, please reach out to me. We would be honored to help. And if you would like, comment, subscribe, I would even be extra more gratified. And also, if we're not connected, DM me on Instagram and let's connect.